So hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up the ticket tool bot in your Discord server. This bot is perfect for support, reports, applications, or any kind of private help system. By the end of this video you'll have a fully working ticket system. So ticket tool is a Discord bot that lets members create private ticket channels where they can talk to staff securely. Each ticket is visible only to the user and selected staff roles which are assigned to them, keeping everything organized and professional. First, go to the ticket tool like this one, click invite and add the bot to your server. Make sure to give it administrator permissions so it can create channels and manage messages properly. Once the bot is in your server, type /ticket space setup. Now you have to select the support role that can view and respond the tickets, the category where ticket channels will be created, and the log channels where ticket actions are recorded. This tells the bot who handles tickets and where everything goes. Next, create the ticket panel where users open tickets. Type /ticket panel create. Hit enter. Now you have to customize the panel message, button text, and ticket name. When users click the button, a new private ticket channel is automatically created for them. Inside a ticket, staff can reply to users, add or remove members, rename tickets, close tickets when resolved. When a ticket is closed, ticket tool can save a transcript so you can always have a record. Make sure the support role has proper permissions. Don't delete ticket channels manually. Always use the close ticket option to avoid errors. And that's it. You have now a successfully set up ticket tool in your Discord server. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.